Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Nappy Gabby and thank you for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my pedicure at home. So these are the list of the things you will be needing. So I already prepped my nails and I'm just ready to go. So as you know, these nails they come numbered, so I'm just going to select them and try them on my nails to see which is going to go where, and I'm just going to put them on a surface according to how I'm going to glue them on my own nails. So after putting the glue, I'm just going to press the nails on my own natural nails till they are fully or completely bonded. And the reason why I file my nails before I glue them is because I want it to have a certain shape, and when filing it's going to be easier to file, as you can see. And when filing, always make sure you file and give like a 1 second break, because when you file too much or you apply too much tension, it's going to hurt. You're going to have like this burning sensation like fire on your toe, so you want to be careful when doing that. Here I'm just going to use my cuticle to remove the dirt or the excess glue or the nail filing particles, and just to make my toes to look neat. So when applying your nail polish, you want to be careful so that it does not smear or go all over your toe. But if at all it does, you can use a Q-tip or the bottom of your cuticle and just clean that off. Yes, guys, can you see that? I mean, you can totally do your own pedicure at home. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.